Hi everyone, this is Kazuki, the founder of Glasp. The Glasp is a place where that you can show the world what you learn and collect and leave as your digital legacy. And this is the home feed. And in the home feed, you can see what your following people are highlighting these days and reading and highlighting these days. And clicking each entry, you will see what they are highlighting and their notes and the thoughts. And you clicking, the people, then you see what other people are highlighting too. And in the topics tab, you will see the content related to your following topics, like community, UX, something like that. And you can see the content. And in the popular tab, you will see what people in Glasp are highlighting these days. It's like a trending content. Or if you want to search something like search design, so you can search like design, like content related to design and see the highlights. So let's move on to your My Page. And this is my page. I have highlighted 500 pages, around 5,000 like highlights. And this is my like activities and what day I learned something, learned what, or something like this. And you see your highlighted contents like this. And you can tag like you can tag as you want and tag author or writer and leave comment on this content, like your learnings and findings. And you can see also your highlights and notes on each highlight like this. And sometimes you have highlighted the content from the same domain or URL or from the same tagged people author or writer. So clicking this icon, you can see another like similar topics or relevant topics like this. And you can actually you can save other people's contents too, like their highlights like this. Then you can get inspiration and you can learn from like-minded people, tweets, videos, or working currently we're working on, but you can save you can leave notes on each specific timestamp. And okay, let me show you how it works. So if you, this is my content by the way, then if you download the Chrome extension, you can pin the Chrome, the glass icon. Then if you click the icon, it opens sidebar or close the sidebar. Then if you find the good, sentence or quotes, you can just highlight. And there are 4 colors, and you can choose, as you want. Each person has their own meaning to each color, like this. And sometimes clicking the icon doesn't work. So in that case, please right click and select here the highlight selected text. This is more robust way to highlight content like this, or refresh the page should work. Okay, let's go back. And it's stored in your place already. So you can tag, or also or comment, something like this. So this is how to use Grasp, and I hope you enjoy using Grasp. And if you have any questions, you can click talk to founders, and it will open my calendar or my co-founder calendar, so you can book my time. So yeah, happy to talk to you, and hope you enjoy using Grasp. And yeah, have a good good night, so good day. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.